Did you know that a single bolt of lightning contains enough energy to toast 100,000 slices of bread? Lightning is one of nature's most powerful forces, with each strike carrying up to 1 billion volts of electricity. This immense energy can heat the surrounding air to temperatures 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. Next time you see a lightning storm, remember the incredible power it's unleashing. What other natural phenomena amaze you? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more electrifying facts.